everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your profile picture on PayPal account. To change your profile picture on PayPal, open the PayPal application and log into your account first. You can also go to paypal.com on a web browser and log in. After signing in to the home page of PayPal, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner. Within the profile section, tap on the camera icon right above your username. Now you can tap on Take a new photo and take a picture from your device's camera right away. To choose an existing photo from your device's library, tap on Choose Existing Photo. This will take you to your device's camera roll. Now go ahead and select a picture that you'd like to add as your profile picture. After you do that, you can adjust and arrange your picture by swiping it up and down on the screen. Choose the part that you would like to use as your picture and tap on Choose at the bottom right. Right after you do that, within a few seconds, you will be able to change your profile picture. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.